Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, the question I have been running my campaign for about 3 weeks and have a good amount of data, but the system is still not showing me first position cost. Any idea why? Okay, so in case if you're looking for a generic cost, you may whenever you may go to the accounts or you may just search even the keyword planner. The keyword planner over here in the tools keyword planner, you can simply get the data from over here over there as well regarding the average CPC you may have to show. Okay, when you run over, for instance, if I select your location, I'm gonna see the restaurant, for instance. I'm just giving you an example over here. Okay, I'm gonna select it over here, and whenever I'm gonna search, it's going to give me an average CPC. But again, if you ask me once, so you can see the CPC over here as well. But okay, this doesn't necessarily answer the, you can see top of page bid high range, you can see top of page low range over here, you can see everything over here. So this answers your question, but I wanted to add something over here as well. Now, because you are because this may vary for person to person, and this may vary on several factors such as your ad strength, ad optimization, campaign optimization, landing page optimization. Once you figure out those things, once you work around on those things, you may exactly get to know the quality score. Okay, then you will get to know the quality score. Now the quality score may impact the first position cost for you and for others. If your quality score is good, you may have to even pay even less than 10 times of your competitor and get the first position. So the first position cost for every advertiser is different Google Ads, because it's based on the quality score. Quality score is the algorithmic formula of how Google Ads work, and this works with, there are a few things which are going on. If your ads have a high CTR, you can optimize the quality score. If your landing page is good, if your landing page intent matches with the ads, you are going to have a high quality score. If your keywords are relevant, in case if you have a good campaign structure, good campaign account structures, then you can. But in case if you have just randomly created a campaign and just trying to get the traffic, then you may eventually have to pay more. So this impact on this. So just telling you few ideas on how you can see the answering you the answer for how why you are not showing the first position code. So I hope this answer. But in case if you're looking for a professional with the Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, me and my team can help you in optimizing your first position as well as optimizing and setting up your campaigns. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.